How to make all TikTok videos private at once. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, TikTok does not provide a feature or gives you the option to private all of your videos at once. That's why we will be using an alternative solution that should get the job done. So follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And here, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And once you are here, scroll down till you find a section that says support and about. From there, click on report a problem. And once you are here, scroll all the way down to the end of the page and then click on submit a report. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here where you will basically reach out and contact the TikTok support team asking them to private all of your videos. Tell them that this is something uh, I don't know, just give them your reason. For example, say that it's something crucial for your account or um, uh, for your personality or something important for your marketing strategy, anything like that. You can even include screenshots and videos. And once you're done, say for example, you write anything right here, click on submit to submit your report. And after a while, it might take few business days. It might take less than that. It's different for everyone. They should get back to you to solve your problem. And unfortunately, this is the only solution available right now, so you might as well just try it. So that was it for this video. That's how to private all of your TikTok videos at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.